If you're thinking about getting an action camera and not sure which one's right for you, or maybe you've already bought the Insta360 X3 and you want to get familiar with the features, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to cover the X3 features and the included accessories. The X3 is a 360-degree camera, and you can do a lot of fun stuff with it. Way more stuff than you can do with a traditional action camera. I'll show you what I've done with mine in this video. I attached the X3 to the rear window of my Jeep Gladiator and fully extended the selfie stick and recorded in 360 mode as I drove down the switchback road. A 360 video allows the viewer to see the entire area by moving their phone or their mouse. The standalone version comes in at $449.99. And that's going to come with a protective pouch. The protective pouch is really nice because you can see these lenses, they stick out on both sides, which makes them susceptible to scratching. So this way, when you're storing it, you definitely want to store it in your protective pouch. You get a lens cleaning cloth and a USB-C cable. On this channel, I'm going to continue to bring you the latest action camera news, reviews, and how-tos, so make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss a thing. I purchased the Get Set kit, and that cost $486.99. And with that, you get the stuff that came with the standard kit, but you also will receive the invisible selfie stick. And there's not anything actually particularly special about the selfie stick. Essentially, how the camera works is it has these lenses on each side, and here is a blind spot where the cameras can't see. And the selfie stick hides in the blind spot, and the AI will stitch the two images together, removing the selfie stick and basically anything that is in the blind spot of the camera. You also get a lens cap cover. You definitely want to get this. So if you still want to have access to the touchscreen or anything like that, the lens protector on there, and now the camera lenses are safe and you still have access to the touchscreen. And you also get a 64 gig SD card, and 64 gigs is not a lot depending on how much you're shooting. If you're just doing short little clips, the 64 gigs is plenty, but if you're doing longer videos like I tend to do, you will run out. Now there are several kits you can choose from depending on how you want to use the 360 camera. Let's check out the camera. First, we got the power button, and right below that is the quick menu. So you push the quick menu button and you can have presets set in there based on whatever you're doing. So let's say you use yours to go scuba diving. You can have a scuba diving setting already built in there. Quick menu, scuba diving, and you're ready to go. This actually down here is the shutter button. Here is the lens flip button. So when you're shooting in 360 mode, both cameras are recording at the same time all around you. But if you don't want to shoot into 360, you switch the lens and you're shooting front or back with only one lens. Here is the USB-C access port. Right below that is the battery, and that is where you would put your SD card. Now the battery lasts pretty good. I've been able to shoot all day on and off, get the shots that I wanted without having any issues with the batteries dying too quickly. As far as mounting, it doesn't have any kind of special proprietary mounting system. It just uses a 1/4 inch thread, which leaves you a lot of flexibility as far as buying accessories and mounting options. The touchscreen is really big. It's 2.29 inches. It shoots 360 degrees at 5.7K. Now that 5.7K is not going to be as clear as the Hero 11 because it's doing 360 view all around you, so it's putting in a lot of work. So you're not going to get the same image quality. In single shot mode, it shoots in 4K, so that would make it more comparable to a traditional action camera. So it shoots in 4K, very similar to the Osmo Action 3. It also comes with stabilization. Insta360 calls theirs flow state. The stabilization is great in this unit as well. It also has the horizon lock. You can flip the camera 360 degrees and the horizon is going to stay level. You can take 360-degree photos, and that's going to be 72 megapixels or 18 megapixels. In single lens mode, it takes 33 megapixel photos or 9 megapixels. Time lapse, hyperlapse, bullet time, and it's waterproof up to 10 meters. Insta360 also has their own app. You want to get comfortable with using the app if you're going to get a 360 camera, because that is really where you get to control and to create. So in 360 mode, it's taking a video of everything around you. So then after you get your video, you go into the app to reframe everything. If you want to do the features like, the tiny planet or any of those kind of things, the sky swap, you go and do all that through the app. So the app is where you really are going to create your videos. I think it's easier to show you how the Insta360 app works by demoing an easy sky swap video. It is super easy. All you have to do is extend the selfie stick, press record, and let the app take care of the rest. It also has a desktop studio. It doesn't have all of the features that you get with the app for your phone, but it is easier, I find, to kind of edit and everything for me personally on the desktop. So the X3 is a great camera for someone that was really trying to be creative, and they're going to put in all the work to reframe their videos, to learn how to do all the extra things, as opposed to put the GoPro on your helmet and head down the slopes and that's your video. So if you really are interested in being a creator and editing and learning all those different things, this is the camera for you.